Hey everyone, what's going on? I'm here to tell you a little bit about a really awesome protein drink that I recently tried. So today and this month has just been really crazy with my job, so I haven't had much time to really stop and have lunch. I'm kind of just always on the go. So my friend actually recommended Owen to me because I was looking for a plant-based protein drink that would just keep me full if I didn't have time to stop for lunch or whatever. And I wanted something that tastes delicious because I don't really like the taste of a lot of those diet flavors and fake sugars and stuff like that. I'm a little particular with it. So my girlfriend was like, oh, you should try Owen. It's really good. She's like, every flavor that I tried that they have, I really enjoyed. And they do come in a whole bunch of flavors. So it says Owen, only what you need. It has 20 grams of protein and it is a plant-based drink, which is great for me. I'm vegetarian. I think it might be good. It doesn't say vegan actually. So this is the strawberry banana flavor, but it does come in a bunch of other flavors too. Like the chocolate one sounded amazing. I definitely want to try that. There's no dairy, soy, peanuts, tree nuts, or gluten. Oh, that's great. So it is vegan product as well. Non-GMO project verified. You can learn more on their website, non-GMOproject.org, and this container is 12 floral ounces or 355 milliliters. And I like the bottle. I think it stands out. It's definitely different than a lot of other protein drinks and protein things that are on the market these days, which there are plenty of them. So it says, people often ask us how we always feel good, look great, and recover faster. The answer is simple. Don't feed your body food that it wasn't meant to eat. You are holding the perfect protein drink made with only what you need. No dairy, no garbage, nothing artificial, and free of the top 8 allergens. So right there, it just lets you know it's an awesome product. It's 100% plant-based, uncompromised taste, and their website is liveowen or liveowen.com. It's the Instagram label at liveowen. So 20 grams non-dairy plant protein, essential amino acids for muscle recovery, metabolism, and easy digestion. Free from top 8 allergens, no peanuts, no tree nuts, no dairy, no soy, no gluten, no eggs, no shellfish, and no fish. Kale, spinach, and broccoli. It's interesting. I guess it has that in there and I didn't even know because you can't even taste it. And 535 milligrams of omega-3 and essential fiber. Is FAIR, Food Allergy Research and Education. That's what it stands for. National Strategic Partner, top 8 allergen tested, no dairy, no soy, no gluten, no egg, no tree nuts, no peanuts, vegan, and kosher. Ingredients: water, Owen protein blend, pea protein, organic pumpkin powder, organic flaxseed oil, vegetable fiber, cane sugar, organic sunflower oil, natural flavors, organic flax oil, sunflower lectin, gargum, monk fruit extract, sea salt, organic spinach, organic kale, organic broccoli, and beta carotene for color. Manufactured in a facility that also processes milk, soy, wheat, almonds, and peanuts. Our facility tests for the presence of these allergens processed from the preceding production run. We independently test our ingredients and final products for the top 8 allergens every lot, every time. Questions, comments, or for more info on our allergen testing protocol, visit liveowen.com, distributed by Only What You Need Incorporated in Fairfield, New Jersey. Copyright 2018. And the container is recyclable, by the way. So let's look at the nutrition facts. Very important. Serving size: 12 floral ounces or 355 milliliters. Servings per container 1. 180 calories, 60 calories from fat. Total fat 7 grams, 11% daily value. Saturated fat 1 gram, 5% daily value. 0 grams trans fat. Cholesterol 0 milligrams. Sodium 220 milligrams. Potassium 107 milligrams, total carbs 11 grams, dietary fiber 5 grams, sugars 4 grams, protein 20 grams, vitamin A and C 2%, 0% calcium, 0% iron. Best by October 2019, so a little less than a year from now it expires. You don't have to keep it refrigerated until they're open, I don't think, either. And then it's easy twist off top. I'm really happy with this product. A lot of times the protein drinks have this weird chalky taste to it, and I just don't like it at all. So it comes with this silver wrapping on it, and I'm gonna pour some in a little plastic cup because I want you guys to be able to see the color and the consistency of this product, although of course the color differs based on the flavor that you get. All right guys, so I poured a little bit in the cup so you guys could see. So it's like a pinkish color. It literally tastes like strawberry banana. I can't believe there's any pumpkin, broccoli, or kale in this, because to be honest with you, I don't like the taste of kale, and I can't even taste it even a little bit. So it's pretty thin. I would say it's like kind of like the consistency of like milk or something like that. Pinkish color, really tasty, not chalky. It's delicious. Tastes like a dessert. So you could have this as like I'm just kind of having it between meals since I don't have time for lunch or whatever, and I had a late breakfast. You could have this after the gym, post, pre-workout. I hope you guys try out Owen, and I hope you love this plant-based drink just as much as I do, and I hope you try all the other flavors. Thanks for watching, guys.